And how is this impacting franchising? So when we take a look at now this is the franchiseinsights.com. This data was released. This is their February startup sentiment index. They release this once a month. This is the most current data available. Um, and what I really like here is you see on this, it says Franchise Insights Startup Sentiment Index. This is a survey of people that are coming through their systems and when are they ask these potential entrepreneurs, when are you thinking about opening up a business? And over 60% surveyed intend to start their business within the next 3 months. And to me, that's significant. So here it says in February, entrepreneurs expressing intent to start or buy this month rose to a record of 31.2% of respondents, by far the highest on record, and indexing at 218% of January 2021. So you look back, if you index that against January 2021, look at how much of an increase that is from that time period. Startups planned for the next 2 to 3 months grew almost 29%. Small business startup sentiment index uh, 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 of individuals who have recently inquired about businesses for sale. This survey was conducted from February 25th to February 28th. So it's about 2 weeks ago, these folks were surveyed. I mean, this is as recent as it gets, folks. And look at this data here. I mean, the next 60% of the respondents said they want to plan to open in the next 3 months. This top green line, I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit here. This green line here, look at how large or how much higher that is than the next closest, which is 4 to 6 months from now. And then this kind of regular green color is 2 to 3 months from now. So you look at that surge of people who are expressing they want to open up now. It's significant. This is the same report, just in greater detail.